Hey everyone, we're here at TK Autosports to pick up the Cobra a day early. I'm so sad about that. We'll do a walk around. We have the side pipes with the heat shield. And now we'll give you a startup. Sounds very muscular. A nice muscular sound. TJ is going to tell us a little bit about the car. Hey TJ.
How's it going? So yeah, we built this in 2006. We completed it, registered it 2007. It's only got 2,700 miles on it. So ton of fun to build, a lot of fun to drive, and it is pretty to look at. So it spent most of its life in the garage, you know, a couple miles up and down the road at a time. But yeah, 15 years owning it, only 2,700 miles. So.
Couple of donuts, right?
Of course, yeah, of course.
Just a few.
It's still the same tires that we built it with, but you know, yeah. Even if we don't want to do donuts, it does donuts. So, but no, it's a Ford Racing 302 fuel injected motor, 5-liter, still with the old school kind of distributor and everything. But fuel injected is nice and easy. You get in it, turn the key, hit the start button, every time starts up. You don't have to worry about tuning the carburetor or anything like that. It doesn't matter what the temperature is outside. So
Beautiful.
basically straight pipes from the headers to the side pipes. Side pipes have small, I think 5-inch glass packs in them, but it's pretty loud. It does the job though.
It really sounds very nice. Sounds very muscular.
Yep.
Very reminiscent of the old muscle cars.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Running a T5 5-speed out of a Mustang, so you have that 5th gear overdrive if you ever take it on the highway. Nice and easy. You'll be running about 70-80 mile an hour at 2,500 RPM. 8.8 rear, 8.8 rear solid axle, posi track. It's got everything it needs to be a sports car.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Excellent. Well, thank you. I appreciate it very much.
Sorry to see it go. We weren't planning on selling it, but I'm glad you're gonna have some fun with it.
Oh, I'll be back here.
Oh,
often.
I know. I know.
We need to get the donuts in once in a while.
Yep. Yep.
You know, we get hungry from time to time.
Yeah, definitely.
All right. Thank you.
Yep. Oh, that's the only other thing to check occasionally. But yeah, engine oil's a little chrome dipstick here. Make sure the belt, every once in a while open up the hood, make sure it's tight and where it should be. If you take it out and beat it up and there's a lot of upshifts and downshifts, sometimes it'll walk and skip like a rib off of this tensioner pulley. If that happens, let me know and move it over.
Okay.
Everything else is simple. It's all done. There's nothing else to do. Cable throttle, cable clutch.
Beautiful.
You're actually connected to the motor. It's not electronic or anything like
The
that.
old-fashioned one.
Exactly. Yep. Yep.
Nice.
What? I didn't remember last time we put gas in it, so I just put 5 gallons of 100 octane race fuel in it. So
Oh, okay.
it'll smell real nice.
Good.